Do you got all the inventory in?
What?
So do you got all the inventory in?
Yes, it's all right here. I brought it just in case because I wasn't sure if you were gonna need it, but it's all on there. Everything on the website is rounded all up, but on here it's not all the way rounded up. But it's all done.
So we got the inventory into the website. I leave for Minnesota on Wednesday, so Hector got that done for us. I think the only thing I haven't done yet, which I fucked up because I should have done it this morning, was weigh the poly mailers to be able to ship this stuff to you. This is something I didn't know, is that, well, I mean, I guess I did know shipping was based off of weight, but I never really thought that, like, oh, you have to weigh every product, like literally each individually product in before you mail all of it out. So it's an interesting little thing there. If you're ever gonna do clothes, you have to weigh every product, every size. That way you can get accurate shipping measures on the website. Ooh, something we do need to do today, probably tonight. Fuck, I should probably start tagging the clothes. Maybe I'll take. Fuck, we gotta tag the clothes. We haven't put the hang tags on any of the clothes yet. Forgot about it. It's a lot of process. Couple hours, but the day has started. It's Monday. Happy Monday. All right, someone teach this kid how to lift weights.
Tore my hand again. I tore this twice last week. Just tore that, and I tore this the week before.
AKA he's trash. I've got some shenanigans right now. I'm gonna write it on the board.
My hurt. I can't. My shoulder's hurt.
We're just messing around today. At least I'm just messing around today.
Dude, I can't do that.
For reference? No, it's
Alright, go. Oh, okay. He's not supposed to be working out like that. Alright, my turn.
What do you mean? You had that.
I know, but my hand.
So all you had to do was drop.
Alright, one more time.
Just commit to the squat.
I know, but my hand pulled and I got scared and I'm pulling up.
Fuck it, you already damaged it. Might as well send it. There you go, Hack.
That's ugly, bro. I'm never gonna make it to the Olympics like that.
You gotta ride the wave, you gotta ride the wave.
You gotta ride the motherfucking wave. Alright, let's go.
Fucking bleeding on my bar.
Back. Go. Deep breath. Oh, let's go.
All right, so we're sort of in a rush. I didn't mean to. Well, okay, I did mean to do that. I gotta write this on the board. I was gonna write this on the board like 10 minutes ago. I didn't do it. So I'll show us a workout right now. 100 wall balls at 20 pounds, 50 clean and jerk at 115, 25 bar upper burpees. Let's think about how long this is gonna take. 100 wall balls. Let's see. My Karen is like 6 minutes. Shit, probably closer to 7. I don't have a good Karen. So 100 wall balls should take me, let's say, 4 minutes. 50 clean and jerk, 8 minutes. So another 4 minutes on that just in case. So 8, 9, 10. So if I do this accordingly, if I do this fast, if I do this good, it should be sub 10, but that is, I'm assuming that's what my coach wants. But let's not get our hopes up. Let's just do the best we can, and let's do this workout. Let's go over some tips for the clean and jerks though. Let's look at my approach on this workout. Whatever with the wall balls, I think I'm gonna tell you really quick. I'm gonna try to go 40, and then hopefully ride 20s out the rest of the way. That way I'm not too fatigued up until the clean and jerks, but really it's kind of gonna come down with where this workout is gonna be one for most people. It's not really gonna be on the wall balls, maybe on the burpees if you're really, really fast at them, but I feel like a lot of it's gonna be able to transition on your clean and jerks. So, number one, if you can, I highly suggest holding hook grip the whole time during this workout. But let's look at kind of like the cycle. You have two different cycles. Remember, hook grip the entire time regardless of what I say right here. So boom, clean, jerk. Now you have two options here. Three options. One, let's come down, down, down. Boom. That's great, but it's also going to be significantly slower in comparison to this method, which is going to take more strength and more skill. And this is where you start to see the difference between a good athlete and a great athlete. It's just going to be transition times on that. So this time, I bring the bar from overhead. I'm going to skip the shoulders, skip the hips, and ride it straight to the ground in order to cycle very quickly. So boom, up, up, skip, skip, up, skip, skip. So, remember, the difference between a good and a great athlete is, engine is going to play a part, but also being smart and understanding how to get that bar from point A to point B as fast as possible. So let's attack this. I don't know why I said sub 10. I knew while I was doing the wall balls that was not going to happen. 15:01 though. I'll take it. Got a horrible surprise after that workout. Go run.
You ready?
Let's go, Sean.
What's up, guys? How are y'all? Good to see you.
Look at this. Yeah, bro, I just barely opened the door. Now we can have a snowball fight.
I'm often reminded on why I don't like this state. Workout's done. Now it's time to eat meat cereal. You got your milk in there, the sour cream, and then the meat is your Cocoa Puffs. All right, so we are back at the house, and I got my decaf coffee. Let's see if I can get this more in focus. But right now, we're finishing up everything for launch. So literally the final touches for this is going to be taking the hoodies and then putting on, I don't know if this is one, yeah. Each individual hang tag, putting it on there for you guys. So then I can get you a completely finished product. We'll put the hang tags on, and then I will probably, more than likely, depending on how motivated I am, start to fold and bag all of these so we can get them just shipped out as soon as people order them. So looking forward to this finished product. And then later, probably in the next clip, we're gonna do a size try on. We're gonna do like a, what do you call it? I'm gonna do like a fit for you. So I'll put these on, try them on, tell you about kind of how I size. I wear everything large, so just a heads up. But we will see you in that next clip. All right, for the end of this video, I wanted to do a quick, I want to do a quick kind of size guide. I'm going to try to do it in my room. My lighting is not the greatest, but I think I said it in the last clip before I said I was going to do this clip. I wear a large in everything, so I do enjoy that baggier look. I'm just going to kind of show you I'm 5'8", 175 pounds, and I'm wearing larges in everything. So here, we'll start out with the windbreaker. I'll even put a medium on for you guys as well. And then, this is the medium. Reaching overhead. Full sleeve length, like it won't even go over my hand. And then significantly shorter than the large. So yeah, 100% I'm a large in this. I'm not a big guy either, but man, that squeezes here. So definitely make sure if you're even like, if I was 190 and I put this medium on, I'd 100% break it. So if you're 200, 190, definitely go to large, if not even the XL on this. Here's the large. I like this one. It's a bit longer sleeves, baggier. Got these little things on the side that I can use to kind of crunch it up and make it a much cleaner, tighter fit around the waist. And then hands above head. That is the large. Alright, so this is the medium tie-dye hoodie. Again, I'm kind of like, I've always just been a large, and remember this hoodie has not been washed, so like it looks good right now, but I'd be willing to bet after you wash this that the hoodie will probably, like at least here, kind of start to kink up. So always be look out for that whenever you're buying any, whether that's even our product or anybody else's product. Just be on the lookout for the hoodies that kind of like crinkle up. So this is the medium, arms out to the side, side view, back, and then last but not least, hands overhead, so you don't get any belly show or anything like that. And then I will show the large. Like I said, so this is way more my style as far as like the way that I like it to fit. I like it just a little bit longer, and then when you do wash this or when you do dry this, you're not gonna have any problems with it kinking up. So just by nature, this hoodie is a little bit longer. So again, I'm 175 pounds, I'm 5'8", almost 5'9", and overall this is definitely way more my style as far as the way that I like my clothes to be nice and baggy. And then the hands overhead, definitely not getting any midriff here, and overall I just really enjoy the large hoodie. Alright guys, I'm going to close this vlog here. Hopefully this vlog gets out before the clothes are launched, which I'm pretty sure that it will be. If you guys like this, make sure you guys leave us a comment. Make sure you guys sub to the channel. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. I'm super excited for the clothes to come out here on December 1st at 2 p.m. Please don't forget. Please show us some support. I love you guys. Thank you much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!